guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you my quarantine project. And now I'm pretty sure this video is one of those kind of videos that's just gonna be seen by my 4 loyal subscribers, but whatever, I really want to post it, I really want to share it, so here I am. Basically, during quarantine I started a project that involved collages, and I am really a fan of just like making stuff or just cutting up pieces and just like glue them down. So I made 3 collages canvas, and low-key this was a super low-cost project as well, because I just found the canvas ages ago, literally next to a trash bin, but like we're properly closed with like cellophane and stuff, so they were literally brand new. And so I took them home, and I wish I had a photo of like how they were originally, but it was basically a pop art inspired pieces of canvas with the same sort of elements, same design, and just like different backgrounds of different colors. And I mean, they were cute, but they were definitely not my style. And so I went to Poundland and I got some really cheap paints, which honestly, looking back, I wish that I got like a proper decent one, especially for the white canvas, because I had to do a lot of layers just because the white paint was so sheer. And now it kind of looks cracked in some bits, but that's okay. I mean, you live and you learn. So I'm just gonna pretty much show you guys the first piece that I've done. This one is on a black canvas and it's all about manifestation. So you guys know that I'm really into music and I want to make it in the music industry with like my music and stuff, and also want to go to like a bunch of concert, which I had a lot of them planned out, and then 2020 and it's coronavirus definitely ruined my plans. But this is how the first one looks like. I'm gonna like let you guys see all the close-up looks, but I'm really obsessed with it. So as you can tell, I do have like a lot of words, a lot of like picture of like concert and stuff, and I mean, it's my baby. It was the first one. It was all about collages and I'm super into it. I think it looks super dope. And this one is also pretty much gonna be the centerpiece, and then when I hang them up in the wall, I'm gonna put one up and one down next to it, and I think it's gonna look super cute. So for this other one, I had the idea of a white canvas that kind of looked like do you know when you paint a wall, but you paint a wall with like all the texture? But I think I'm probably gonna insert a picture because I don't know how to describe it. But yeah, I wanted to do a white canvas with that sort of texture, and then I wanted to put roses on it, which is what I ended up doing. And like originally I did not plan to like add these words right here, but I feel like I just gave it a go without gluing them down first, and it looked really good. It definitely tied up everything together, and so I decided to add the words as well. Also, I found this one that says like blossoming talent and like rose bloom talent. I mean, it just like went together so well. So this is how the second one looks like. I'm really obsessed with it. It's definitely my style with like the roses and everything. And then the third one is low-key one of my favorites as well, and it's quite different from the first 2. And that's because I kind of copied a TikTok trend, which I actually seen on the Sorry Girl channel, where they were testing different TikToks DIY. And there was this one where you get a canvas and then you get a string and a nail, and you basically embroider something on the canvas, and that's pretty much what I went for. So hopefully you guys can see the design. I draw this 2-person kissing, which is like a manifestation of love in some sort of ways, and then the words that I decided to go for are all travel related, because hopefully I want to travel a lot after this whole pandemic is over. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I think it looks really cute, definitely different, but this one definitely cracked a bit more, just because I had to like literally pass the nail through, and the paint was definitely not the greatest, but like I said, you live and you learn, and I do think it looks dope as well, so I'm happy with it. So that was my little quarantine project. I really wanted to share it with you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Also, do let me know in the comments down below what was your quarantine project. And other than that, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for a brand new video every Friday and a music related one every Tuesday. And if you like this one, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up because that definitely helps me out. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!